Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about wave equation of electron in a periodic potential. In the last class we have seen Cronin-Penny model. Then there we studied about we assume the potential as a periodic potential. So the electron possesses a wave equation in a periodic manner. The periodicity when it is which means that let u of x here also we in Cronin-Penny model we also assume that u of x is a potential energy of an electron in a linear lattice, then with the lattice constant a. Here the lattice constant is a, here the lattice constant is a, and the potential is u of x, and that potential energy is invariant under the crystal lattice translation, which means that u of x equal to u of x plus a. This is the Bloch's theorem, Bloch's function. U of x is the Bloch's function, then u of x plus a. That means a function is invariant under a crystal lattice. Translation may be expanded in terms of Fourier series. So therefore we can expand the potential in terms of Fourier series for the potential energy u of x equal to summation over g e raised to I gx. First of all, we take the potential energy u of x equal to summation over g ug e raised to I gx. What is the aim of our topic? We can calculate the wave equation of an electron when it is in a periodic manner. So potential energy, we know that the wave equation is h psi equal to E psi. It's a Schrodinger equation. So always, all the case, the equation is wave equation is similar to that Schrodinger equation. H psi should be equal to E psi. So we consider, and what is H equal to p square divided by 2m plus v of x into psi of x equal to E psi. There the v is, instead of v, here we use u of x, only consider one dimensional case. So u of x equal to summation over g ug e raised to I gx. Here g is the reciprocal lattice, the value of the ug for actual crystal potential. Ug actually, that is the actual crystal potential. Then it decreases. Listen here, ug decreases as 1 by g square. Noted that ug decreases as 1 by g square. Then we want to explain the actual potential energy. If it is a real function, potential energy is a real function, then it can be also be written as ug equal to summation of g greater than 0 ug into e raised to I gx plus e raised to minus I gx, that is equal to 2 into summation over g greater than 0 ug cos gx. But here we can, for the convenience, we consider crystal is a symmetry. So we only consider the first case. It is ug equal to u of x equal to summation over g ug e raised to I kx. Sorry, e raised to I gx. Then we have to calculate what is the value of wave equation. So first of all, we consider the Schrodinger equation h psi equal to E psi, where h is the Hamiltonian operator, and E is the energy eigenvalue. H is the Hamiltonian eigenvalue and E is the energy value. The solution psi are called eigenfunction or block function. Wave function psi is the solution of the psi are the wave function or the eigenfunction or block function. Si equal to E psi, as we have already told you that H equal to P square divided by 2m plus V of x. Instead of V of x, here we use U of x into psi of x equal to P square divided by 2m plus what is the value of U of x? U of x equal to summation over G Ug e raised to I Gx. Here we consider crystal is a symmetric nature, symmetric crystal. So summation over G Ug e raised to I Gx, and also into psi of x, that is into psi of x equal to E psi. P square divided by 2m plus U of x. We put the value of U of x here, that become P square divided by 2m plus summation over G Ug e raised to I Gx into psi of x equal to E psi of x. That is this is the wave equation. Then we can apply some manipulation to this equation. We get another form of equation. So going on the derivation, the above equation is written in the one-dimensional approximation, which is the orbit psi of x describe the motion of one-dimensional electron in a potential of iron core. In the Kronig-Penney model, we also assume the electron moving in a particular x direction only. So in the average potential of the and also the average electron, average potential of other conduction electron. So the wave function, so the wave function can be expressed in terms of Fourier series. Similarly, the wave function also can be expressed in terms of Fourier series. Then psi of x equal to summation over k e raised to I kx. Psi of x equal to summation over k c of k, the constant value, into e raised to I kx, where k is the real function. The set of value in the form of a 2 pi, we can consider this much into 2 pi n divided by L. It is a linear value, satisfies the potential boundary condition over the length L. Here n is an integer, positive or negative. Psi of x is a periodic in the fundamental translation property with the lattice translation A. Then first of all we find the wave equation in a simple form, that is p square divided by 2m plus u of x into psi of x equal to E psi of x. Then we consider u of x is a expand in terms of Fourier series. So u of x can be also be written as in u of x equal to summation over G Ug e raised to I Gx. In a similar manner, we also consider psi is also expressed in terms of Fourier series, Fourier components. Therefore, we can write psi equal to summation over k ck e raised to I kx. Put all these values in that equation, and also we consider here only we we choose that the function, block function only lies in between the first Boolean zone. What is the value of first Boolean zone? It is minus pi by a to plus pi by a. Here we consider the block function psi lies only in the first Boolean zone because here we consider the electron in a is like the X-ray diffraction because electromagnetic field everywhere within the crystal. So we consider other case, we can consider other case. First we consider only the wave function lies within the first Boolean zone. Then to solve this equation, substitute the value of psi in the above equation, equation number 4, 3, then equation number 3, and substitute the value of psi, put the value of psi in that equation. We can find what is the value of p square divided by 2m. Here p square is an operator, since p square equal to 1 by 2m I h cut d by dx all square. What is the value of momentum? What is the momentum operator? Minus I h cut d by dx all square psi of x. And also that is equal to minus h cut square divided by 2m d square psi by dx square. That is equal to h cut square divided by 2m d square psi. What is the value of psi? Ck e raised to I kx. Then d square psi by dx square is equal to k square into ck e raised to I kx. Then that is equal to, which means that the potential energy minus h cut square divided by 2m d square psi by dx square equal to h cut square divided by 2m summation over k square ck e raised to I kx. And the potential energy also in the form summation over g ug e raised to I gx psi of x, that is equal to summation over g summation over k. G and k are continuous values, so we should consider summation over g summation over k ug e raised to I gx ck e raised to I kx. Then the equation number 3 we can also written as in the form, put the value p square divided by 2m here and put the value u of x into psi of x here. Then the equation become summation over k h cut square divided by 2m k square ck e raised to I kx plus summation over g summation over k ug of k e raised to I k plus g into x, that is equal to epsilon summation over k ck e raised to I kx. Here ug into e raised to I gx into ck into e raised to I kx. So e raised to I k plus g into x. Then we move this right side to this portion, and this portion should be moved to the right side. E epsilon ck e raised to I kx shift to the left side, and this portion shift to the right side. Then we must we assume that h divided by 2m k square equal to lambda k. Then the equation become lambda k, the coefficient of each Fourier components must have the same coefficient on both sides of the equation. Then summation over k, h cut square divided by 2m k square ck e raised to I kx plus summation over g, summation over k ug ck e raised to I k plus g into x equal to epsilon into summation over k ck e raised to I kx. Each Fourier components, that means that then we take the coefficient of e raised to I kx. Then we take the coefficient of e raised to I kx on both sides. Then equate both sides, we obtain, and also we put the value h cut square k square divided by 2m equal to lambda k. Then the equation become lambda k. This shift to left side, that become h cut square k square divided by 2m is lambda k minus epsilon into ck. Only we select the value of coefficient of e raised to I kx. Then lambda k minus epsilon into ck equal to summation over g, summation over k ug c k shifted to this position, then it will become k minus g. Lambda k minus epsilon ck equal to summation over g ug c k minus g. This is not equal to 0. There is a mistake here. There is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. That value is not there. Not equal to 0. This is the wave equation. It's a wave equation in a periodic lattice. It's an important equation. What is the value? What is the wave equation? Explain the wave equation of an electron in a periodic potential. Thank you.